So I'm watching Reed Timmer's stream right now, or live feed, or whatever you want to call it. That supercell is producing a tornado right now, just outside of Wallfleet, Nebraska, kind of south of North Platte. Look at this thing. It has a crazy anvil. And that weird ring that's kind of going all around it. Look how high it's climbing. And it's already tornadic. So the tornado is over on that part right there. And it seemed to, from what he was saying, it seemed to be a very strong tornado at that. How crazy is that?